Alright, what's up? My bad. I've been trying to get stuff started. I'm not all the way there yet. I'm almost there. My bad. There we are. Sure. Alright. I'm using Apple Music now. I don't like it at all, but yeah, what can I do? All right, anyway, let me get this screen share started. Let me make sure I don't have anything compromising on my screen. Where is Slack? Here we are. So I gotta make sure I don't have Slack open and maybe even Discord too. Where's Discord? There we are. All right, one more thing. I just gotta make sure I don't have anything I don't want to be shown. All right, cool. All right, let's go over to the screen. So, as I said, like, I'm back from vacation. I actually came back from vacation last week. And so this is about a week after I've come back from vacation. And I decided to do this random ass stream, as usual, as I like to do. So I have a few things that I want to get done today. Some of which you're seeing, like, I've been kind of already working on a lot of this stuff. Let me close this. All right, so I have this iOS application. It's a sample. It doesn't really do anything useful, but I will build it. Which phone is this? the 12th. Yes, I'm gonna build this in wait, what? Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna build this and run it on the iPhone just to make sure it still works as I expect. And I also have to find this application. This is a one signal application. No idea what I called this or where it is. But we will figure some stuff out together, maybe. Wait, what password is this asking for? Oh, what? Did I mistype it? Alright, this can't be good. It's all, man. I swear, my computer knows. It knows that I was doing perfect in life without it, and then it's like, fuck you, William. Can I find one signal? Oh, this is me. This is me being stupid. Never mind. Okay. Maybe it will compile and run this time. Maybe. Hopefully. Yes, it succeeded. Alright, let's unlock my iPhone. Alright, look at that. Alright. You can't see it, but you can now. Alright, so it doesn't do anything. Roscoe? He must have got hold to that squeaky toy. God damn it. Alright, so we get some logs. Let's look at these logs. See what we got. Alright, we're getting a 202. I don't know what that means, but I know it's not bad. That's all that matters. It's not bad. I'll just do status code, maybe. We're gonna have to Google this. Alright, what's 202? You think I'd know this, but that's the problem. You shouldn't assume or think anything. That would be a mistake. Except, okay, alright, sure. Alright, so something happened, except it, oh shit, this is my IP address. Or it's, yeah, well, I'm using the private relay address. Cause my net, okay, yeah, we're good. Okay. What else do we have? Alright, so we're getting this app. Okay, okay, that's not helping me. I guess you could see the other thing that I've been. Oh wait, no, you can't. Hold on, I just realized. I'm only sharing one of these screens. Maybe this, maybe that. Yeah. All right, maybe this will be a little bit better. Can't read shit, but you don't really need to. Anyway, so this is the like I was working on a Flutter thing earlier, but I've been looking at these logs, so that's what I've been staring at. So, and I just showed my IP address again. But yeah, here we are. So this is the app ID, which corresponds to this up here, and the thing that I'm after is the name of this application. Like, where is this application at? Because I don't know. And you'd think I would, but I don't. So I was like, well, I have my little paw project over here. And it's like, oh, maybe I can just view an app and then just put the app ID in there right here. Wait, why didn't I hear my noise? I normally have a audible thing that happens whenever I copy. Alright, so it seems that my alerts are not coming through. So try it again. Audio, but maybe okay, it's fine. I'm gonna choose to not care right now. Alright, so I have this set up where I can go to all of the different accounts that I have up and running. This particular thing won't use the app, so this could be anything. So then it should give me some, oh shit, is it showing my certificate? Damn it. I guess it doesn't matter. Wait, private key. Wait, whoa. Whoa. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Hold on. Work is about to happen. I need to switch to, I'll just, we'll do that. What is this? This is the API. Who owns the API? God damn it. I don't know who owns the API. All right, my bad. Sorry. I know I went MIA for a little bit. I had to work. um, yeah. Let me just figure out a way to collapse something. I can't filter it out. Oh my gosh. Just make it smaller. All right, there we are. Cool. So I was looking for where this is. So this right here. So this tells me that this is in the One Signal account, like my One Signal account. I think maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to find. I don't know. Where's Chrome? Alright, so my mic went out. No idea why. But I may have to return to work in I am working, but like working with others in a bit, maybe. Okay, all right. I think I can go back to work on this thing. I don't see the thing. Oh wait, hold on, wait. Did that not just filter? Is that not what just happened? Ah, this is a search, but not really. Man, this is about to turn into a like me just do feedback kind of thing. I would expect this whole list to like show results that potentially match this search term here. Well, that's what I would think. iOS sample. So that's definitely, it's not there. Let's see if it's in another org. Okay, all right. I have no idea. Wow. I have no idea where this application is. Oh my gosh. I was also over here. I'm also having this. Oh shit. Let me put myself in do not disturb mode. I just realized that y'all can see my notifications. I'm over here having side conversations now. So apologies if I seem like I'm spacing out. It's because I'm over here having Slack conversations. Oh shit, my bad. I'ma not do that. I'm gonna not do that work. I'm gonna do this other work. I'm about to get swallowed in. Like there's links now, there's threads. Intercom tickets, this is what it looks like there's things. Yeah, alright, so we're good on that. Let's see if I can find that that app over here. Alright, so I'm not really sure what happened there. Some audio issues, but I was wondering if this is it is the app, yeah, 202 right here. Yeah, okay. So let me switch back over to the other screen thing. Alright, so let's see if I have a user 417. All right, cool. So let's see, enable push. Maybe it was already, or prompt push permission. Nope. Okay, so maybe this is already the user. Maybe. Let's see when the last session is. All right, maybe not. There not a last scene? I thought there was. Oh, here we are. Last active. 11:56. All right, so I think this could be me. All right, so then let's send a message. All right, so yeah, it's just gonna. ask the question, do you work? Hopefully. But I'm in do not disturb, so I think I'm gonna have to pull down. Yeah, and we get, oh shit, we get did it work? I don't know if y'all can see that. So yeah, I guess if I tap it, it'll do something. Yeah, it'll do this. Take me to the docs. Okay. So then, oh, and then I get the thing over here. All right. So I need to update this to the latest version. That's first thing that I can do. Oh, actually, no, that's not the first thing I can do. I need to also, I need to make sure I have this available on GitHub. I just moved this stuff around. That's why I'm like confused. What did I call it? It was one signal IO sample. Yeah, here we are. Oh wait, this doesn't have a remote? Gosh, how do you show the remote? Is it show? Is it like origin? Gosh. How do you show the thing? We definitely didn't do what I thought it was going to do. It was supposed to do the thing, but it didn't do the thing. You know what? It's fine. I will just do it the way that I know it'll give me the answer that I'm looking for. Where's the remotes? Refs. Heads main. No, that's not where I'm looking for. Where's the remotes? Oh, okay, there aren't any. Okay, there we are. That may be a reason why I didn't get anything. So this isn't published. So since this isn't published, let me go ahead and clean this up right quick. So let's delete that. We don't want it. I'm over here like committing, but over here side reading. Give me a second. I need to publish this, but before I do that, I may want to do this right here first. I don't know. Oh, actually, no. I want to update this. There is a new version. That's the whole point of this stream, I think, is to find that. So we'll search my repositories. Who do I want to search? One signal. Wait, why is okay? Fine. One signal. Wait, why? Wait, what? Hold on. is one signal. Here we are. All right, so it's our iOS SDK. I think I have all this stuff in Chrome, but I don't really like using Chrome, so I'm just gonna have to go without my bookmarks. All right, so let's see what the latest version, beta 4, whereas this is showing beta 2. So I want to update this. Man, what if I told y'all I forgot? Like, I just forgot. I don't even know what I forgot. This one under builds. Oh, here we are. Package dependencies. Okay. I didn't forget. I was just lying. So we'll go to beta 4. Yeah. That was 2 weeks ago. Okay. We'll do that, and guess I'll stop and then rebuild, maybe. Oh, no, I didn't like that. Okay. What do you mean? What do you mean? Man, no, Xcode is lucky. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't even know. Let's see. OS message something. I would assume this is a protocol because it's coming after this colon. Maybe so. Maybe I'll look here. Except there are none. That's what it says. It says that there are no protocols. So I'm not even sure if I've like updated to the latest version. Like that's how lost I am right now. Let's see if it picked it up. Oh, okay, no, it's here. Is this in the resolve? Yep, this is in the resolve, so I think it did pick it up. Revision 101 FE. What is that revision number? It's just a is this a hash? I don't know. All right, so I'm just going to assume that it did pull down the latest version of this package, and that by doing so I've now just broken something. It's saying that this particular thing isn't in scope, so let's see what's in scope. Let's see if we can use this. There's not much. All right, no, so something else is wrong because there are no other things from one signal. Let's see, did it get renamed? Okay. All right. God damn it. What just changed? So I guess I can just go back to my screen only right now because obviously it's broken. So I'm glad that I'm streaming this because it shows that this was working up until I changed the 2 to a 4. And then it's just all broken. So I get to figure out why, which is... yeah. Oh, wait, okay. Perhaps if I go to the correct branch, that would work. Alright, so... yeah, there we are. See if anything has changed. I'm definitely importing one signal framework, okay. Also, this is the perfect opportunity to look at the supposedly updated docs while I was out on vacation. I was told that they were published, some of the ones that I was working on. So we'll see. iOS. Oh wait, this is another thing. iOS guides. Is this one? No, okay, no. This is... it's updated, but I haven't updated it. So I don't think this is gonna be helpful. So let's see here. Is this the application? Yeah, the application. All right, cool. So we have the app delegate. Okay, cool. And then within that app delegate, we define this function for the application, which I've done, I think, hopefully. I even set the log level to the same one for both. All the things. Here is the one thing that is different though. There is no set lifecycle handler. So I wonder, when did this change? Alright, so anyway, that's the first thing. Although it doesn't make sense to me. Okay. Wait, why did that take me back to here and not? Are there no? Okay, whatever. I guess there are no anchor tags. I was thinking that it would. Never mind. It's fine. All right. So I guess. All right. Yeah. So. Sure. When did that change though? Like I didn't see that. Did that happen while I was on vacation? That's a big change. Let's see. Let's change this beta to API updates. Okay, obviously. Permission observer API. The IAM lifecycle. IAM click listener. Okay. Let's see. This doesn't tell me anything. I guess no. All right, I get this. Okay. So rename OS. All right, let's go back to here. Wait, where is tripping? I am tripping. Okay, so let's undo this. So they renamed this to that. Okay. Why isn't that in the release notes? That should really be in the release notes. Yeah, this isn't okay. All right. I need a break. It's my lunch break too. I'm gonna have to go soon. Let's just say that over an hour has been burned. This and other stuff. It's not just. It's cumulative, not just this. If I just do that. What if I just did that? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how do I register for these messages. Let me come to here. Actually, you don't need to see me. We could just do the phone and the screen. Actually, no, I can't. So we're gonna keep it here. All right, so I just enabled. I'm sorry. You know what I need to do? I need to have a thing that can pop up the in-app message. That would be useful, I think. So let's do that. Why can't I find the Swift, like, is it this content view? Yeah, it's right here. I'm tripping. All right, so we got window group, and then we have a content view, and the content view is, I don't know what it is right now, but we're gonna add a new button. That took forever and a day. We'll do that, and let's add a button. Those are fun. This is ugly to me, by the way. Like, like the code, it's just disgusting. And then like this right here is a function. It's really weird. All right, so this is going to be show and then app. All right, and I'm gonna just copy all this. All right, and wait, show push permission prompt. All right, now I gotta find the app. Okay, damn it. So I'm back to square one where I had to find where this app is. Or did I find it? Oh, I did find it. We're good. Okay, so I need to look at how it's set up. There is messages and app. Yeah, push permission prompt, and I need to see what this is doing. I think it's to show the native prompt, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's supposed to show this. All right, so let's see. Let's disable push. Let's confirm that it was in fact. Wait, is this it down here? Yeah. Opted in 0. Okay, so then prompt. It didn't do the thing. I mean, it did the thing, but it didn't like do what I wanted. So we look here, like I changed the subscription, and then I triggered the change. Then it evaluates the messages. I would have expected to have seen a message presented here. But I may have to stop the app, maybe. Oops. All right, so we stopped the app. And I'm also going to go to my settings to have a peek at that particular app, which is called One Signal iOS sample. Notifications. Oh, it's still allowed. Okay. All right. Well, that part. and let's reopen it. I'm doing it from Xcode on my machine because I want to be able to see the logs. All right, cool. So then we'll prompt. No, it still doesn't do it. No, wait, it did something. Something just did something.
Funny thing about love is you never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story. I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much. Checking out the scene, wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool.
But it's nice to see, which, oh yeah, you can see that, yeah. Oh damn it. So what's nice to see is that I did the live activity setup. I did that fine, so because it shows up here, the live activity. Even though I haven't actually started to do anything, I now have the capability to do the thing, which is 50% of the work, the effort. So it's good to see that. But what's not good to see is that my thingamajig isn't showing up.
Don't wanna push a feeling and make the feeling go. You see, I got your number, but still I ain't used the phone. No, I let it breathe for a minute, baby. Next thing I know, you call. Damn. One thing I know about love, you never know when it's coming, but you sure know it when it does. Yeah. One thing I know about love, you might get what you ask for, so you better be sure it's what you want. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so it's still not working. So let's just create another in-app message, one that'll always show. Welcome message, maybe. So since I already have the welcome message, I'm not going to recreate it. What I'm instead going to do is get this message ID and just send it, or trigger it rather. On app open, show until dismissed. Show forever. Okay. I want this to show every time. Okay, so let's see if it's going to do the thing. I do need to figure out why my other in-app message isn't show. It used to show, right? That's the thing, is that like I removed something and now I'm wondering if I should have removed it. Instead of just wondering, I'm going to just re-put it back. Right in here. In-app messages dot. All right, maybe I don't need to do anything. I'm gonna stay the course of action for now. Let's see if that doesn't work first. So let's just restart the app, and I want to clear this. Too late. I should, I'm looking for a message that says, like, looking for the what do you call those things? Standout messages. See if there are any to show. And I'm gonna pull this out just to make it a little bit easier to read. Oops. Alright, it didn't do any other thing. It did find the subscription. Okay, alright, cool. Oh, no, it did do more stuff. Okay. It found in-app messages. Okay, triggers. It sent all the triggers. F35. Let's look for that. Okay, so all right, let me first. So when I was looking at this message over here, no, let me pull it up. This message right here, I think it's 1F, whatever that is, that ID, that's it right here. So I wanted to see if it were even picking that up, and it does seem to be finding something. So if we look closely, OS channel tracker for IM ID, last channel object received, indirect influence channel tag, IM ID, timestamp. Okay, so it found the two active in that messages, welcome and push prompt. So my assumption is the 6F whatever corresponds to this, and yeah, we see 6F whatever up there. So yeah, we get both. So let's see where else this appears. All right, we do it again. So this is supposed to be loading again, maybe. So I don't think that one counts. So this must be the last one. Oh, we get a network response this time. Okay, so we get it for the 1F, which I think is the welcome message. Yeah, so it is getting back a success, so it's doing something. We're getting, okay, so we get the message from the server that happened. Update in that message, okay, reset, redisplay message sessions, what? So it definitely did something. All right, so it's just not showing, which makes me think that the thing that I changed, maybe I shouldn't have changed. It's a good thing that I have this get thing, because I could just come here, set lifecycle. Oh, I have someone watching. AOR Aries. What's up? How you doing? Do you read? of course I read, and yes, I do it for enjoyment. And to like for real, like I'm rereading this for like the fourth time. It's like, so you're a reader when you just got a freaking book just on your desk. That whole cadenza back there. Here, I'll switch over. That whole thing. You can't really tell how big it is, but I could give you an idea. It's 96 inches, right? So that whole thing is filled with books, and I have sold boxes of books because when I moved here, this is a smaller place than where I used to live. So I didn't have enough space for all my books, so I sold a lot of them. And one of the things that, like, at least back then was the case was I was very proud of the fact that all of the books that I owned, I have read. So I don't have books, but now I do, because I went on like a small mini ebook buying spree. So I have a bunch of ebooks now. I haven't read them yet, but one day. Not today though. These days I read a lot of stuff on the internet, like online. It's a different style of, it's a different style, right? Like it doesn't really scratch that itch. So if you really like reading or enjoy reading, I don't think reading internet stuff is the same from an enjoyment perspective, at least for me. Maybe, I don't know, your mileage may vary. So we're gonna do this set. Nope. There was a life cycle handler in here somewhere. I wonder if this is one of these things where it's just gonna answer itself by just like continuing to read that PR. Oh, I'm related to everything. The new Chat GPT for iPhone app is out. I actually have it. I forgot I downloaded it today, and then I proceeded to forget until just now when I just saw that other thing. And what's pretty cool about it is I can just say words. Yeah. Anyway, that's not what I was looking for. I want to know what was in that PR I thought I was looking at. To make reading a habit. Well, the only way to do it is to first not try to do it. You literally just do it. Like, read, even if you don't want to, because it doesn't matter, right? Like, just read, like, and you may find if you just do it after a month or two, all of a sudden you don't really think about it. It doesn't require effort. At that point, it's a habit, right? So, but yeah, if you're waiting to a point where it's like you're just gonna want to do it, that's not how it works, unfortunately. You know what? All right, I think there's a way to search. What is this? iOS, maybe? You know what? That's so useful. Like, just being able to search tabs. Let's see, search tabs. Okay, all right. One day I'm going to look to see if there's a way, like a keybind for that, because that's kind of dope. Don't freaking warn me of things. Let me do stuff. What is this? Search tabs. Okay, no. Tab. Alright, this is way too many things. Let's see. Search. Improve search and nope, search, nope. These are all improved search. I don't want to improve search. Honestly, I thought it would. Man, maybe it's not. I would expect it to be like dot search dot tab, something like that. Let's see, search dot tab. No, man. I'll chat GPT it. Let's see. I failed my pre-cal final, so I might have to take the class again for the next semester. I mean, that's fine, right? Like, take it again. Take it over the summer. Don't take it next semester. That would be, at that point, that would be like a waste of time. But just take it over the summer. And instead of trying to memorize, math facts or whatever, try to build an intuition the second time. You may find that learning is a little bit different the second, third, fourth, fifth time around. Like, try to get at like, what are they really trying to prepare you for? What just happened? Interesting. All right, yeah. They're really trying to prepare you for like for something else, and like figure out what that is. Like, why? I've never, so full disclosure, I've never taken pre-calculus in my life. So I don't know what they teach. But I took calculus. I took a bunch of calculus stuff. So like, I'm assuming that you're probably going to learn trig. I would assume, because there's a lot of triangles. Like, well, we make use of triangles to do things, right? Because really, it's like we have these functions which could be lines, but sometimes they could be curvy. That kind of, anyway. Like, yeah, like, try to figure out like, why are you learning this? Not just, oh, I had to memorize this equation or whatever. Fun fact, I had to search for my tab. Like, I don't even know how you do it. Observable. Let's see. So this is something that I've been like, I don't know, randomly last night actually. I was like, oh, I got a new camera, a new, what do you call it? Yeah, new camera with a new lens, and it's got a f/0.95 aperture. And I know a little bit about a little bit. I'm like, aperture, how can you have an aperture of less than 1? Because aperture is a ratio, right? So I put together this little thingamajig to try to make sense of some things, apertures, specifically f-stop. And then I plot this little thing right here. This is this map right here. So I just go through and I simulate a focal length, and then for whatever that focal length, whatever the aperture is, I figure out the f-stop number. So like, that's what this is. And then I was like, oh, this looks kind of familiar. And then it's just like more things, right? Like, you can get more things from this. But the point is that like, you can break this down and say, oh yeah, I could use calculus to do things. And by calculus, I can use a triangle to do things. I don't know what right now, but maybe you could do it. But yeah, there's trig, and then there's like, I don't know what you call it. I've heard it called like cyclomatics or conics. What do you call that thing? Is it conics? Yeah, this thing. Yeah, so there's something to do with like something with I don't know math anymore. It's been a while. You're barking up the wrong tree when it comes to math. I forgot a lot of things. Yeah. What else would I expect someone to learn? Circles. Like I would expect you to know a lot about circles. Is that what I was trying to say? Is that what I was? I don't know. Let's see. What do you learn in trig? What do you learn in trig? Wait, no, not trig. You said pre-cal. Now I'm curious. I guess it's my lunch break, so I can not do work right quick for a small amount of time. Okay, so you're learning about the complex number plane. You learn about polynomials. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I don't know what the hell a composite function is unless that's like f of g of something like that. Inverse functions. Okay, you do learn trig. Oh, you learn. Okay, so you learn some linear algebra stuff, vectors and matrices. You learn a little bit about series. Okay, sure. Okay, conics. Okay, you do conics. Okay, and then probability, and you learn how to count. Okay. Which part was difficult? Or was the real difficulty algebra? Because that's what I find. Like, if you don't know algebra, like a lot of this is, you're like, oh, I don't know this. It's like, no, you don't know this other thing, which means that you can't now build on top. That's how math works, at least in my experience. So it's like, I have found that like arithmetic, if you know arithmetic, you could be a weapon. Like if you know how to count, you could be a weapon. It turns out a lot of people don't really know how to count. When I say count, I'm not talking about like 1, 2, 3. Like counting things, objects, and like you have a bunch of things. How do you quickly come up with a count for stuff? Anyway, it's been a while for me. I do have a book that I would recommend for calculus. So give me a second. So like I said, like I read. I'll show you one. Okay, so the first one is a book called Calculus Made Easy. It's by Sylvanus P. Thompson and Martin Gardner on St. Martin's Press. Calculus Made Easy. Let's see. It does have exercises in it, so, and the typesetting is pretty decent, I think. Anyway, so the next one is not really, I don't know how you explain it. Like, I don't know. It's called The Humongous Book of Calculus Problems. You see that? Maybe. They're gonna focus. It's not going to focus because Audrey is trying to focus on Audrey. But anyway, this is by W. Michael Kelly. And if you're like me and you learn by doing, this is the truth. Let me see what all it covers. It's been a while, right? So like I don't remember these things. I want to see how much calculus you're going to learn. All right, yeah. Okay, so it starts from linear equations and inequalities. Then you'll touch polynomials, rational expressions, then functions. So you can not know anything and walk away after doing all the problems in this book. You'll know calculus. They cover logarithmic and exponential functions, conic sections, the fundamentals of trigonometry, trigonometric graphs, identity equations, investigating limits, and then evaluating limits. Then they get into other things like continuity and the difference quotient, basic differentiation methods, derivatives, and function graphs, basic applications of differentiation, which is nice because it's not just showing you, it's like they're giving you some pretty decent applications. It's by giving, you're actually working through problems. That's really it. But like I said, if you work through enough problems, you'll build an intuition. I guess I should keep going over what else is in here. Advanced applications of differentiation, additional differentiation techniques. By the way, the last one, advanced, that's like optimization, rectilinear motion, that kind of thing. Go into approximating area, integration. That's the second half. I think that's when it's like the other half, but really it's like the fundamental theorem of calculus. If you get there, did they touch on that? I don't know if they touch on that in this book, but I would assume that you would walk away with that understanding. Maybe. I don't know. I'll be back. I gotta go put these back. The second book, the humongous book of calculus problems. But I do want to warn you, it is literally that. I don't know if it goes over how to do anything, or maybe it does. Oh yeah, it kind of goes over how to do stuff. Yeah. Also, this calculus made easy. This one's pretty dope. All right, I'll be back. I gotta go put these back. I don't know. Let's see here. Got this. And I was trying to figure out I was trying to figure out, do I need to register for messages? Xcode is so weird. Why is it possible for me to have the same file opened up twice? Doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. You should be good at math, I think. Although math means different things to different people. Some people, math is you say a number and that's math to them. To the math people, like I know math folks now. I'm not a math person. Just let's make this clear. Because I now know what math people truly do, and the thing that we often think of as math is not truly math. So yeah, I'm just like, yeah, I'm glad we have the math folks. I was actually, when I was doing my my batch at Recurse Center, one of my like peers or cohort, whatever you call, like one of the people in my cohort, was taking like a sabbatical or something like that. He was a PhD something in math, like teaching. But yeah, he went through some stuff with me one day, just randomly, because we were just chatting, and I came away from that conversation was like just thinking like, oh my gosh, like, yeah, like brilliant is all I can say. Like, there are certain people where you talk to them and you're just like, oh my gosh, he was one of those individuals. And I met more math people through him, and they're all freaking like, they're wizards. I don't understand. Some of the things that they'll see immediately, it may take me like 10, 15, like up to an hour to start to somewhat grok it. So it's kind of cool that they can do that. This is actually a dumb thing to print. Is it paused? False. Okay, so they're not paused. Okay. Fuck. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create another in-app message. I have a Discord username. I don't have my own Discord anymore. I shut it down. I am in, I forgot the name. It's in my buddy's Discord. I'm in my buddy's Discord server, and he has a thing that like whenever I go live, it notifies people. Wireframe. Yeah, I'm in my buddy's server, Wireframe. I will ask. I'm not really a Discord person. Like, I'll have to ask one of them to like do something, or if they want to do something to like get you access to it or something. I think it's public though. There's a lot of people here right now. But yeah. Let me create this and that message right quick. You know what? We're gonna do a new feature announcement because it's already here. I don't want to work. I don't want to do any effort. So let's come on in. I should really take my break. It is my lunch break. Wait, am I a baseball friend? Hell no. So we're gonna do on certain condition, we're gonna just add a trigger here, and the key is gonna be testity test. The value is gonna be test. Wait, and no, there's no and. We're just gonna go with that. Only one. No. Wait, where did it go? I want this, man. Oh my gosh, I hate this. All right. I want this to do it every time, forever. So until this one, yeah, sure, whatever. We'll do that. All right, cool. Let's update, and I need to make it active. Resume. And I also forgot the key. Yeah, there we are. Testity test. Come into here. Let's do a action, and that action is going to be to add a trigger. Oh, okay, that's triggers. I was like, man, this is wrong. Okay, all right. Let's see if it gets it right. Add trigger. Okay. Key. All right. Yeah, there we are. Cool. So we'll do testity test, and we're gonna put the value test. And let's rebuild. Do you have? Oh no. Yeah. I think I answered that. Let me make sure I show my phone. All right, so wait, oh, replace. Yes, replace. All right, let's see if it's going to present this message. Oh my god. Okay, finally. So it shows that. Okay, that one worked. Okay, what about this one? No, of course not. Okay. Okay. This isn't great. Yeah, this isn't great. It should that should be working. It's only showing up as one impression. Like, I don't understand. It's saying that it won't be shown to people who, but what if I have then disabled it? I don't know if that's answering the question that I thought I had. But it's okay because I now know that it's not like in-apps aren't broken. It's just these two particular things. Let me go ahead and enable push. So yeah, at least that part, at least that's not broken. So we'll go ahead and re-enable. Okay. Yeah, prompting is still won't do anything, but this should show the thing. All right. Okay. Fine. So, I need to do a commit, and I think I need to publish. I still haven't done that. So we updated to the latest version, and we'll go ahead and commit that too. We'll remove that for now. Then I want to also update this. So yeah, all right. So we'll say update to latest SDK, and we'll just say add button to launch. Right. I want this to go in my One Signal developers org and the description. We'll figure that out later. It's going to be private for now though. All right, gotta make sure that the right folks have access. Alright, let's go ahead and add a team. We'll add Devlog. They're going to have maintain access to this. Alright, look at that. Oops, there's more stuff I need to do here. So let's get rid of issues. We're not going to use wikis, and we're not using projects. We're also not going to use actions. I wish that they would put that in the general, like do I want to enable any of these? I don't like having to do it this way. Me not enforced. Okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Thought I was in stream mode. What happened? Alright, whatever. So I just wasted my time building this BS rule that won't be enforced. Yeah, we'll add a readme. Sure. One Signal iOS. minimize sample. Add that new line. Git likes that new line. Protected branches. No, let's create a new branch. And we'll just call this publish prep. So from here on out, I'm going to have to do everything in a new branch. So yeah, we're going to have one for live activities. And we'll go ahead and publish that up. So we're already set up for live activities, to be honest. It's just going to be a matter of starting a live activity, and I can kind of show what that would somewhat look like if I can talk. All right, so add another button, and we're going to call this start live activity. And we'll delete all that. Go into our live activities namespace, and then there should be something called enter, and then I give it the activity ID. All right, so this would be my activity, and then the token, and then I can have a way to stop live activity, that kind of thing. But until I create the live activity, so I got to do that, and that's what I can do in the other branch. For now, I'm just going to say activity ID, and then I'll say token for now, just to get the compiler off my back. See what happens when I try to start it though with a fake live activity ID and token. So we'll do start live activity, and you'll see here that we get some things, but the app doesn't crash. So like I can come here and I get my message, and I can also oh, here we are. Okay. I can also come and send myself a notification. Oh, wait, no, this is the wrong one. Oh, gosh. Okay. Well, I'm not going to do it, but you can see the point. You could do it. Yeah. Let's get this ready for publishing. I think that's something that's useful to do. think is that our logo? I think we have a new logo. Gotta update that. Is this thing frozen? Like, what the hell's going on? Okay, interesting. Does it keep opening in full screen? Yes, we do have a new one. It's one of these. So I'll use this one. Oh, fuck. Okay, hold on. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna have to open up desktop for this one. Not there, so let's look in one signal. Okay, so there is the .github. Okay, all right, so I forgot that I set that up a while ago, like this .github thing. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we have the one signal banner. Oh wait, we are using the new one. All right, what the fuck? Okay. Excuse me. So apparently we are using the newest one somehow. Man, Yanni, if you end up watching this is the reason why we gotta finish render markdown, whatever the fuck that thing is, that plugin. We need to finish it. Come over here about to do it. I hate having to do this. Which one is it? Notebook. That's different. So then I think I should be able to get away with pointing to... Wait, this is pointing to GitHub. What the hell? Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay. Fuck. Who are the pending reviewers? Okay, so then walked. I can't update the logo yet, but it's fine. What I am going to do is see if I can point this to not a commit SHA. I'm pretty sure I can, to be honest. Yeah, okay, yeah. So 585. What did it say over here? 439. Okay, well, eventually I will get the thing that I need from here, but until then it's okay because at least I'll have the banner in here. All right, so I'll go ahead and put in a little message. So we're not going to do that now. So we'll, wait, what did I just do? Live activities. I forgot what I've been putting for the websites for these things. Where's the last one that why isn't it? Okay, so we went to the docs. Okay, yeah, I guess that's fine. We should have a quick start guide. Where's Chrome? So we'll just use this one for now. Oh, come on. That doc will be improved soon once I get to it. So we will merge this. Alright, so one thing that I like to have is just delete these branches for me. There we are. Do that, and do I have to save? Nope. GitHub UI is still weird as fuck right here, where it's like you don't have to save here, but this is why it's confusing. If you go to, let's say, actions, you have to save on every little thing here. Or if you go to like these other things, well, oh well, we're not in my org. I'm not about to switch just to show this, so I have to just take my word for it. Anyway, let's go back to the code. All right, cool. So when my other PR gets merged, I can then come in and update that SHA, which will then point to the newest version of our logo. Let's make sure that this is all working. Yeah. I wonder if I can do a filter here. Let's do repositories. Type. Right, sample. Yeah, so I can throw a little query param right there. I could take that, which will then take you to all of our samples, which makes a little bit more sense. But I think a better place to do this, man, you know what? I still haven't taken my break. Now I have a meeting. I have hour long. Oh my gosh. I don't care. It's fine. Let's see. One signal. No, GitHub. Was it .github maybe? Yeah, this right here. So this PR that I need someone to look at, I'm going to make a little update right quick. Oh wait, oh shit, this doesn't do, okay. This just updates the logo. Okay, dang it. Okay, that just updates the logo. So this right there. Wait, why did that do that? Okay, so it worked this time. Why did it do something weird last time? What the fuck? How is that possible? Okay, fine. I don't know. Okay, this will get updated after the PR gets updated. I'm gonna do this in a new PR. Man, this is taking forever to upload. I think that just flaked out. Try it again. Yeah, it must have just flaked out. Actually, it's not ready. I can't. Okay, yeah, so. This is the right verb. Also, since I'm typing and probably not going to be talking that much, I'm going to turn on my other mic. So I am doing this, even though no one else is going to review this but me. I'm doing this so that I can easily go and look, like without having to do a bunch of clicks. So it's mostly me thinking about myself, trying to help myself. So now I could just come here and do that. Alright, yeah, so I'll just admit that. I'm gonna go ahead and merge this, even though it's not done. It doesn't matter, because this isn't public yet. Instead of saying hello world, which is, you could tell how this started out, let's say one signal sound, whatever. Let's say something else.
I just love your smile. Just the way you do it makes me high all night. I just love
and maybe I can have a thing where in the future I add an image like to my assets here of the One Signal logo. We can put the One Signal logo there. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do. All right, so I don't want this to be based off of that, so we're gonna base it off of main, and this is going to be called I don't know, it's refinements. I don't want that there. I only want this. Alright, we'll publish that, and I'm going to bring these changes back to my live activities, and we're going to commit it here. Alright, so yeah, let's go to this refinement, get that merged. I'm gonna leave that PR open in case there's anything else that I spot. But yeah. So I need to spend some time coming up with words to describe actions that I've done. Wait, why does it still say hello world? Alright, right, so I gotta take another screenshot. Here we are. Okay, let's delete that. We'll take another screenshot and let's send it back to my computer. So I didn't take my lunch. And I have a meeting soon. So what I'm gonna do is go chill for a little bit and then get ready for this meeting. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. So if you made it this far, hope you got something out of it. I don't know, learned something, saw something. Yeah, I may be back this weekend. If so, I unlikely will be working on this. This is one signal work. I may return to my YTT gen. Maybe I don't even remember what. So that would literally be an exercise in me just like figuring out what I've done. There are some other things that I have too. So I just got a new NAS. I plan to buy hard drives maybe over the weekend, maybe. And if I end up doing that, then I may spend some time setting that up so I can stream and record, that whole process. And I also have video that I'm editing from my Taiwan trip, a little short, not a big video, just a little short. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed whatever you watched today. Anyway, peace.